ready to turn your creative ideas into a thriving online store without ever touching inventory. We're diving into how to seamlessly integrate print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify with your Wix website, making it a breeze to sell custom design merchandise. First, head over to the Wix app market. Use the search bar to find either Printful or Printify, depending on your preferred print-on-demand provider. Click on the app and then select Add to Site. Follow the prompts to connect the app to your Wix store. You'll likely need to create an account with Printful or Printify if you don't already have one, and then grant the app permission to access your Wix store. Now, within your Wix dashboard, navigate to the Printful or Printify app. This is where the magic happens. Click Add Product to start designing and listing your merchandise. Choose a product type, like a shirt, mug, or poster. Upload your design, adjust its placement, and select your desired colors and sizes. Printful and Printify will provide mockups, so you can see exactly how your product will look. Next, set your pricing and write a compelling product description. Be sure to factor in Printful or Printify's production costs and your desired profit margin. Finally, click Publish Product to add it to your Wix store. And that's it. Customers can now browse and purchase your custom creations directly from your Wix website. Printful or Printify will automatically handle printing, packaging, and shipping, leaving you free to focus on designing and marketing. Enjoy.